What sets you and your firm apart in handling family law issues in New Jersey? Attorney Paul Mirabelli explains, I have years of experience. I'm a local lawyer. I'm the hands-on lawyer. When you call, you are going to get me. You might get my paralegal, but she's only going to do some of the work. When it comes to the preparation and settlement of your case, I will be handling that. I've always been a strong proponent of trying to get cases resolved. I know that litigation becomes expensive, and I don't push to litigate divorces unless it's absolutely necessary. My first priority is to try to resolve your divorce amicably. Furthermore, once the initial retainer runs out, my philosophy is working with the client to come up with the funds that are needed to properly represent them in a fashion that is fair to them. We will come up with a monthly payment schedule if necessary, especially if the client has a house that will be sold. Sometimes I'll defer payment until the house is sold. There's a lot of ways you can be creative while helping to meet the client's financial expectation as well as mine. I work for myself, so I'm available all the time. If someone needs to come in after work, I'm available after work. I try not to work on Saturdays, but if necessary, I will be there early in the morning. I encourage the client to call me to discuss issues. It's just easier, especially when people work or only get an hour for lunch. If an appointment is necessary, I will be as flexible as possible. I will work with the client. It's a partnership. I always tell clients, my guarantee is that I'm going to do the best job that I can. Your guarantee is that you're going to cooperate. If I need paperwork, you're going to provide it. If we have a hearing, you have to show up. If we have a meeting, you have to show up for the meeting. I'm very personable. That's really the strength of my firm. I have a lot of experience, I am local, and I work for the client. As a trusted bankruptcy lawyer, family lawyer, and divorce lawyer, Paul is here for all of your legal needs. Your case gets our complete attention at every stage, and we work diligently to help you get the positive outcome you deserve. Call now for a personalized case evaluation or visit his website at www.paulmirabellilaw.com.